Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be doing class 12 HSC's chapter 2 matrices exercise 2.1. We're going to be doing the first 6 questions in this video and questions 7, 8, 9 in the next video. So we'll be finishing the whole exercise in just 2 videos. Okay, let's get started. Mathematics in Statistics part 1, HSC class 12, chapter 2 matrices exercise 2.1. Very easy. It'll be a breeze. 2 videos and we'll be done with this exercise. Okay, I have the answers written here for you. This is very easy, honestly. There's nothing much to do. See this, and you'll be able to solve the first few questions orally, actually. Now, they're given the question that apply the given elementary transformations on each of the following matrices. मतलब transformation दिया है, given matrix में आपको बस वो transformation apply करना है. जैसे कि now first you need to know row क्या होता है, column क्या होता है. What is a row and what is a column? ओके फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज आर मैट्रिक्स. ये हमारा मैट्रिक्स है एंड यू हैव एक्स वाई जेड एंड यू हैव ए बी सी. ओके, अब आपका रो क्या होता है? हॉरिजॉन्टल जो होता है वो आपका रो होता है. दिस इज योर रो 1, दिस इज योर रो 2. क्लियर? हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन्स आर योर रोज. ये हमारा रो 1 है, ये हमारा रो 2 है. अब कॉलम क्या होता है? कॉलम वर्टिकल होता है. ये हमारा कॉलम 1, ये हमारा कॉलम 2, ये हमारा कॉलम 3. वर्टिकल जो भी होता है ये आपका कॉलम होगा. क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? ओके, वेरी नाइस. अच्छा, अब आपको दिया यहाँ पे रो 1 बिकम्स रो 2 एंड रो 2 बिकम्स रो 1. इंटरचेंज कर दो दोनों को. क्या होगा? अब इसका रो 1 क्या है? 1 0. रो 2 क्या है? -1 3. इंटरचेंज कर दो. यहाँ पे जो रो 1 था वो नए मैट्रिक्स में रो 2 बन जाएगा. यहाँ पे जो रो 2 था वो दूसरे मैट्रिक्स में रो 1 बन जाएगा. सो योर रो 1 इज बिकमिंग द सेकेंड रो. व्हाट वाज अप कम्स डाउन, व्हाट वाज डाउन गोज अप. क्लियर? वेरी नाइस. इन मैट्रिक्स 2 दो क्या दिया है? यू हैव R1 बिकम्स R1 माइनस R2. वट एवर इज गिवन बिफोर द एरो. एरो के पहले जो दिया है इज द वन जिसमें चेंज हो रहा है एंड वट इज गिवन आफ्टर द एरो इज वॉट चेंज टेक्स प्लेस. जो चेंज हो रहा है. ओके, सो नाउ R1 में चेंज है, दैट मीन्स R2 इज टू बी लेफ्ट अनटच्ड, नो चेंज, एज इट इज कॉपी डाउन करना है. देन यू हैव रो 1 में रो 1 माइनस रो 2, मीनिंग रो 1 का एलिमेंट माइनस रो 2 का एलिमेंट. सो हियर इट बिकम्स 1 माइनस 2. And then you have row 1 का element minus row 2 का, so -1 as it is, -5. Then you have 3 minus 4. Correct? That's what's written here. Now simplify this. यानी कि अब इसे माइनस के फॉर्म में तो रख के आंसर देंगे नहीं. What you do is इसे राइट डाउन कर दो. So -1 -2 -1, -1 -5 -6, 3 -4 -1 again, and that's your answer. Transformation लगाने के बाद this is what you get. Okay, very nice. 3. What do you do in 3? 3 में what you do is they have given you column 1 and column 2 exchange करना है. column is your 1 2, so 4 3 and 5 1 को इंटरचेंज कर दो. so 4 3 पहले आ जाएगा, 5 1 बाद में आ जाएगा. अब इसमें क्या दिया? रो 1 एंड रो 2. रो 1 ये है, रो 2 ये है. 4 5 को ऊपर डाल दो, 3 1 को नीचे डाल दो. 4 5 3 1. अच्छा, what do you observe now? These are two different matrices. You have applied two completely different transformations on them. What do you observe? This matrice and this matrice, both the matrix are same, absolutely the same. So what is the observation? They've asked you, what do you observe? Both the matrices are the same. Easy? Understood? Okay, very simple. Now in the fourth one, it's just given 2C2. Okay, does that mean that there is nothing that you have to do the change in? कुछ नहीं दिया है, so you leave it? No. 2C2, they're talking with respect to C2, तो C2 में ही change होगा. If they have not given anything before the arrow, doesn't matter. C2 दिया है, C2 में change होगा. तो column 2 is this. क्या होगा? column 1 में कोई change है? नहीं. Note that down as it is. column 2 though, they have given 2C2, meaning instead of writing column 1 as it is, you multiply the elements by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. And you copy the third column as it is because nothing is given. Okay. Now, if you look carefully, they have given you -3 R1. So what do you think? Is this correct or is this wrong? If you look closely and if you realize, they've just given -3 R2. They have not 3 R1. They have not given R1 -3 R1. So had they given R1 -3 R1, what would you do? 1 -3 into 1. but they've given just minus 3r1. So instead of doing 1 minus 3r1, it has to become directly into minus 3r1. That means instead of 1 you write minus 3r1. 1 की जगह पे minus 3 into 1 क्या होगा? Minus 3. 0 into minus 3, 0. 2 into minus 3. Since it's not 2 minus 2 into minus 3, this is wrong. You can't write it as the number minus this number. No. They've just given this, to replace kar do directly. Don't add or subtract. So writing it as minus 4 would be wrong. You write it as minus 6. Making the changes here and here. Okay, what will happen now? 1 plus of minus 3, it becomes minus 2. 4 plus 0, 4. Minus 1 plus of minus 6, minus 7. Then you have 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 3 plus 5, 8. Very good. That's your answer. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Okay, so here's our question number 5. The question is, this is a matrix A given to you guys, and then they say apply 3R2 and then C3 minus 2C2. Okay, so first up you have applying 3R3. Okay, so A on applying 3R3, what does it become? R3, and we are talking with respect to row 3, so 1, 2, 3. Rows 1 and 2 are going to remain the same, absolute same. So just copy down rows 1 and 2 as it is. Okay, 3R3. Element in row 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 again. 1 3s are 3. That's it. You have applied 3R3. Okay. Now you have to applying C3 plus 2C2. Okay, now applying C3 plus 2C2, where is the change going to take place? Think. Is the change going to take place in C3 or C2? Now in such cases where they have given you two of the rows or two of the columns, the first one is where the change will take place. So the first one is C3, that's where the change will take place. So according to the question, then A will almost become, now C3 में change हो रहा है, C1 and 2 में any difference? Does it make any difference at all? Nothing. So copy column 1 and column 2 as it is. So you have 1 2 9 minus 1 1 9. Okay, 303 में change हो रहा है, C3 plus 2C2. What will you write that as? Okay, let's see. C3 is your 3, correct? C3 is your 3 plus 2C2. 2 into the element at C2, that is minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Very good. 0 plus 2C2, that is 0 plus 2 into 1, that's 2 again, correct? Then you have 3 here plus 2C2. What do you have here? What you have here is 9 into 2, that is 18. Okay, very nice. What can you do? Simplify these. 3 into minus 2, 1, we know that. 0 plus 2, 2, we know that as well. Okay, 3 plus 18, 21. This, guys, is our answer. Question number 5 solved. Moving on to question number 6. That's the last question for this video. We'll be covering the next 3 questions in the next video. Okay, so here we go. Question number 6. You're given a matrix A just like the last question. Then you're given C3 plus 2C2 and then 3R2. The same things but in a different order. Okay, let's see. So applying C3 plus 2C2. अच्छा क्या होगा? Now they have told you that C3 plus 2C2 है. Like I explained in the last question, no difference to columns 1 and 2. कॉलम 3 में चेंज होगा, क्यों? बिकॉज C3 पहले दिया है. सो कॉलम 1 और 2 एज इट इज कॉपी कर लो. 1 2 3 -1 1 3. अच्छा, कॉलम 3 में क्या करना है? C3 + 2C2. मैं डायरेक्टली लिख रही हूँ, बट यू नीड टू मैंशन द स्टेप्स. मेक इट लुक एज डिटेल्ड एज पॉसिबल. द एग्जामिनर को देख के लगना चाहिए ओके बच्चे ने एकदम डिटेल में दिया है आंसर, आई हैव टू गिव द मार्क्स. मेक इट सीम एज लेंथी एज पॉसिबल. ऐसा नहीं कि कचरा भर दो, बट जस्ट मेक इट सीम एज डिटेल्ड एज पॉसिबल. शो एवरी स्टेप, क्या ऐड किया है, क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है, एंड इफ पॉसिबल ऑल्सो राइट स्टेटमेंट्स. The examiner will give you full marks, guaranteed. If you write statements, if you write everything in detail, full marks are guaranteed. Okay, right now we are doing this for understanding purpose. I'll just directly write. Okay, C3 + 2C2 मतलब 3 + 2 into -1 यानी 3 - 2, that is 1. Okay, then you have 0 + 2 into 1, that is 2. Then you have 1 + 3 into 2, that is 6. Correct? No, wait. 1 into 3 into 3, that is 7. That is 1 + 6, that is 7. Acha, now you have to applying 3R3 यानी रो 3 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. रो 3 में चेंज हो रहा है, रो 1 and 2 में एनी डिफरेंस? नो. ओके, कॉपी रो 1 and 2 एज इट इज. नो डिफरेंस, कॉपी इट डाउन एज इट इज. 1 2 -1 1 1 2. Very clear? Up to clear? Very nice. Multiply this thing by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 again. 3 7s are 21. Okay. Now part of this question is what do you conclude from 5 and 6? 5 का आंसर क्या है? ये. 6 का आंसर क्या है? ये. गौर से देखो, you see that the answer you get is the same. Absolutely the same. डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट कि जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो आपने किए हैं, 2 ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किए हैं, 3R2 एंड यहाँ पे C3 + 2C2. यहाँ पे क्या किया? पहले C3 + 2C2 किया, देन 3R2 किया. डिड इट मेक अ डिफरेंस? कोई भी बदलाव आया आंसर में? नहीं. तो आप क्या बोल सकते हैं? ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आर कम्यूटेटिव. कम्यूटेटिव मतलब देखो, A + B आपका आंसर C है, क्या B + A करने पे आंसर D आएगा? नहीं, C आना है आंसर. दैट मीन्स A एडिशन इज कम्यूटेटिव. मतलब A + B करो या B + A करो, डजेंट मैटर. हेंस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस आर ऑल्सो कम्यूटेटिव इन नेचर. पहले कोई भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करो, सेम सेट के लिए सेम आंसर आना है. ओके, सो व्हाट डू यू कंक्लूड फ्रॉम 5 and 6? आंसर सेम है दोनों का. सो फ्रॉम 5 and 6 we conclude that transformations are commutative. Okay, still if you have a doubt in commutative, see you have A + B. क्या आप इसको B + A लिख सकते हो? कोई फर्क पड़ा? नहीं, सेम थिंग. तो अब किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऐड करो, एक ही चीज़ है, हेंस एडिशन इज कम्यूटेटिव. अंडरस्टूड? ऐसे ही ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आप जिस भी ऑर्डर में लगाओ, क्या कोई फर्क पड़ रहा है? नहीं. पहले आपने 3R3 किया या फिर आपने C3 + 2C2 किया, कोई फर्क पड़ा? दोनों किसी भी ऑर्डर में करने पे आंसर अगर सेम आता है तो वो कम्यूटेटिव है. सो ऑब्जर्वेशन फ्रॉम 5 and 6 is that transformations are commutative. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on your notifications because I'll be uploading more videos for class 12 HSC's mathematics or any other subject for that matter. And yeah, don't forget to stay connected and look for the next video.